high precision aluminum machining with diamonds with our new Urma MX Diamond shoulder and face shell mill tool. Your milling operation gains a lot of precision, process reliability, and of course, productivity. Hi, my name is Johnny. I'm Director Sales Tools here at Urma. Whether it's reaming, boring, or drilling, Urma has a wide range of high precision tools for industrial machining. With our brand new MX Diamond, we have expanded our portfolio with milling cutters for lightweight materials. Our cutters are equipped with diamonds, so-called PCD. PCD are polycrystalline diamonds, which are synthetically produced and have an extreme hard and wear-resistant structure. Thanks to the properties of PCD, these tools can be used to machine all types of non-ferrous materials, such as aluminum, brass, copper, or even plastics. In addition, the hard and wear-resistant cutting material leads to longer tool life, better part quality, and a higher process reliability. Thanks to the cutting speed of up to 5,000 meters a minute and a feed rate of 0.05 to 0.3 millimeter per tooth, the MX Diamond is perfectly suited for aluminum mass production parts. But also, if you have smaller batch sizes, the standard geometry offers great properties for roughing and finishing. One for all. With the MX Diamond, we also rely on our proven interchangeable hat system, which makes changing an insert as easy as possible for you. And it takes only 1 or 2 minutes to change a cutter and you are up and running again. This way, we guarantee extreme precision of radial and axial runout of 4 and 2 microns. This ensures a very high repeatability from one insert to the other, which reduces significantly your machine downtime. The high tool rigidity also allows for both roughing and finishing with the same cutter. The MX Diamond is available in diameter 63 with 12 teeth, in diameter 100 with 18 teeth, and in diameter 125 with 20 teeth. So more teeth, more feed. The internal coolant supply supports an excellent chip removal, also at very high feed rates. The product is ready on stock to ship to you. If you need more information, let us know or contact your Urma partner. And we are ready to meet your need when it comes to aluminum applications.